So the secretary has mentioned at least 4 with presidential certifications. Tama po ba yan?
We're just we already requested it, sir. We're just waiting for the nailabas na po, sir, yung ano.
Hindi, actually ako rin ni-raise yan na hinahinay sana tayo dyan. If you could also advise the executive branch, the ES and the OP, hinahinay tayo sa issuance sa presidential certification. Kasi although kine-question ko sa floor at ang mga colleagues ko, parang they defer to the judgment of the president. My point is, that's a presidential power or prerogative given by the Constitution. Pero may may requirement ng Constitution eh. Hindi lang ito dahil gusto mo. Ganun yung point eh.
Yes, sir.
May
naman,
sir.
sir.
Diba? Hindi lang yung gusto or I will certify because it's a priority. Hindi naman yun nasabi ng Constitution. Sinabi doon, there is a necessity of meeting a public calamity or emergency. Yan ang sabi doon eh. So we have to follow the Constitution. Kaya maghinahinay tayo because you'll be adding an issue which the minority will always raise sa floor. Kung wala naman wala namang problema eh. What's 3 readings in 3 separate days? Anong problema? Di ba?
Yes,
mas nawawalan pa tayo na issue at hindi pa tuloy parang ang feeling tuloy na ang feeling din natin hindi na abuse yung particular constitutional provision na yon. Kasi kung may priority ang presidente, then pasok ang political parties niya and political supporters niya. Yun eh. You mobilize them. You don't certify na walang because there's no public calamity or emergency to be met. Diba? Yun eh. So palakasin niyo yung party niya, Partido Federal, and then mga alliances, then magtawag kayo, yun yung mga FGD ninyo, mobilize them para mabilis ang takbo. But not use, overuse or abuse this concept of presidential certification. Mawawala ng saysay in due time yan, actually. Walang point eh. So, well, at any rate, that will be raised in the
Yes, sir.
Supreme Court petition against Maharlika kasi certified din yun eh.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. That's really noted, sir.
I mean, Secretary,
Yes, sir.
now,
We
I hope you
understand,
get my
sir.
point. Kasi
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We do, sir.
presidente ka nga, binigyan ka nga ng power ng Constitution, pero sunod ka pa rin sa Constitution. Wala namang exempted sa Constitution eh. That's our simple argument against the overuse and abuse of presidential certification. So, thank you, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Chairman.